Morning students. In last class we have discussed exercise 4.2 first main and second main. Now we will continue the third main. See here, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So in last class we studied what is the zeros of a polynomial, right? A zeros of a polynomial p of x is a number a such that p of a is equal to 0. Yes or no? What is the zeros of a polynomial? A zeros of a polynomial p of x. Okay, p of x is a polynomial. A is a number. Say when you substitute in place of x a, if the value of the polynomial is 0, that is nothing but the zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial p of x is a number a such that p of a is equal to 0. So based on that we are going to solve the exercise 4.2 third main first one. See here. Now they have indicated here is x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of this polynomial we have to find out. Okay. See a solution. P of given p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay. What they indicated, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is equal to p 3 multiplied by minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 will get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Therefore, what we can tell here, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Now see, in the similar manner, third one we will check. P of x is equal to x square minus 1, x is equal to 1 minus 1. Okay. Now see here, P of, see a solution. Is 1 is a 0 of this polynomial we have to check here. Is this 1 is a 0 of this polynomial? How we are going to check? Substitute where x is there 1. If this value of the polynomial we got a 0, at that time 1 is 0 of this polynomial. Okay, here 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1. 1 square is 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole square minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, what we can tell, 1 and minus 1 are zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 1. Okay. This is about the third main. Now we are going to see the fourth main. Now see the fourth main, find the zero of the polynomial, find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Now see first one, p of x is equal to x plus 5. Third one, p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Now see here, find the zero of the polynomial each of the following cases. We have to find the zero of the polynomial. I told you what is the definition of the zero of the polynomial, just we have solved problem based on that, right? If zeros of a polynomial p of x is a number a such that p of a should be 0. Okay. Now see here, find the 0 of the polynomial. They are told to find the 0 of the polynomial. In last class I told that to find the 0 of the polynomial, equate this polynomial to 0. Equate this polynomial to 0. So whatever will get the value of x, no, that is if you substitute that value here, definitely that is a 0 of the polynomial. How to find out the 0 of a polynomial? Once more I am telling here, equate this polynomial with a 0. Definitely we are going to get the answer. See a solution. First one, p of x is equal to x plus 5. So if you want to find out the 0 of a polynomial, what you do? Equate this polynomial with 0. This implies x is equal to minus 5. Okay. Therefore, minus 5 is a 0 of polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 5. Okay. Now in the similar manner, we will see third one. P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay. Solution. Equate this polynomial with 0. So this implies 2x is equal to minus 5. This implies x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So therefore, minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So this is about the exercise 4.2. Now see here students, here exercise 4.2 over. Now the next concept is division of a polynomial. How we are going to divide the polynomials? We will see that now. Now the next concept is division of polynomial. Now see here, in division of polynomials, directly I will take one example and I will show you how we are going to do the division of a polynomial. See our first example, divide p of x by g of x, where p of x is equal to x plus 3x square minus 1 and g of x is equal to 1 plus x. Now we will see here how to divide p of x by g of x. How to do the division of polynomials. Okay, that is p of x by g of x. See a solution. Now see here p of x is one polynomial, that is x plus 3x square minus 1 and g of x is 1 plus x. Now we will see, I will going to tell you how to divide a polynomial with a non-zero polynomial. Okay, how we are going to divide a polynomial with a non-zero polynomial. Now see here students, here divisor is 1 plus x. They are given divisor 1 plus x and a dividend is x plus 3x square minus 1. Okay, here divisor is 1 plus x and dividend is x plus 3x square minus 1. Okay, now we have to divide this, a polynomial by a non-zero polynomial. Now see here how we are going to divide this. Step number 1 is that, see here students, here the variable is x. This is a polynomial. See what is the power of this? 1. Okay. Now see here, this 1 plus x, you should have to write x plus 1. Now see here, the degree or you can tell the power of here x is 1. And what is this power of a constant number? It's a x raised to 0. Okay. Now see here x plus 3x square minus 1 is there, no? This you have to write in a decreasing order by seeing their powers. Variable powers you have to see. Here 2 is there, here 1 is there. Write this in a decreasing order. Okay, that is here 3x square plus x minus 1. Now see here degree is 2. Power is, the variable power is 2. Here variable power is 1. This should be in a decreasing order. This 1 can be written as how? 1 into x raised to 0. Now see here the variable power is in decreasing order, no? 2, 1, 0. Yes. This is the way you have to arrange. Okay, the first step is that only. Whatever the variables power are there, that you have to arrange in a decreasing order. Here see, x I kept first, x plus 1. But it was 1 plus x, no? How I written x plus 1? Because this you have to, this also you have to write in a decreasing order. Well, how we have to write in decreasing order? Variables power we have to see there. Afterwards, the first term of a dividend and the first term of a divisor, you have to divide. What is the first term of the dividend? 3x square. What is the first term of the divisor? X. Now see a student, this can be written as 3 multiplied by x, where it can be written as x into x divided by x. 1x get cancelled. What is remaining? 3x. Okay. So what we will do means, this 3x we will write upside. This is nothing but a quotient. Understood? Afterwards, 3x multiply, 3x into x is 3x square. Plus, here nothing is there means plus will be there. Plus, plus, plus. 3x into 1 is 3x. Now you have to subtract this. To subtract this, what we have to do here? We are going to change the signs here. Here plus is there means minus, here plus is there means minus. Okay? We are going to subtract these two. Okay? Now see, here plus 3x square is there, here minus 3x square is there. This sign you have to see, whatever you have given a new sign. Plus 3x square minus 3x square, we are going to get cancelled. Okay? Plus x minus 3x. What it is? Minus 2x minus 1. Okay? Now see, first up once more I am explaining. First you write the divisor and dividend in a decreasing order by seeing their powers. Variables powers, by seeing variables powers you arrange it in a decreasing order. The second step is that the first term of a dividend divided by the first term of a divisor you do, whatever you get answer, no, this is nothing but a quotient here. Afterwards multiply this here. Okay, afterwards subtract these two. Now we got a new dividend. This is a new dividend. Again, first term of the new dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. What is that? First term of the dividend is minus 2x divided by first term of the divisor, that is x. Now cancel this, x. What is remaining? Minus 2. you write here upside minus 2. Again whatever you will write here, no, multiply this. Minus plus is minus. 2 into x is 2x. Minus plus is minus. 1 2s are 2. Now subtract this. To subtract we are going to change the sign. A minus is there means plus. A minus is there means plus. Minus 2x plus 2x will going to get cancelled. What is minus 1 plus 2? It is minus 1. So this is nothing but a long division method. Okay. How we are going to do a division of a polynomial with a non-zero polynomial. Now see here. Now when we have to stop this division, question will arise. When we have to stop this division process. When we have to stop means here. Here x plus 1. X plus 1 degree is what? 1. Okay. 1. Here minus 1 is there. Minus 1. Constant polynomial degree is what? Constant polynomial degree is 0. Okay. Here 1 is greater than 0. Means when this degree will be less than this, no, at that time we have to stop. Okay. The degree of divisor is greater than the degree of remainder. Now question arises, is this whatever I done, is it correct? So how we will come to know what I done, what I written here, is this is correct? For that what we will do? We will do a verification. So what is that? We knew that in our primary classes we used to do, that is division algorithm. What is that? Dividend into divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay. So what is divisor? Divisor is x plus 1. What is quotient? It is 3x minus 2. These two we have to multiply. Plus what is remainder? Remainder is minus 1. Now simplify these two. X, you know how to multiply this, right? This is a binomial. How to multiply binomial by binomial? X bracket 3x minus 2 plus 1 3x minus 2 plus of minus 1. So E is equal to 3 x into x is x square minus 2x plus 3x plus minus is minus 1 2s are 2 plus minus is minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 3x is plus x minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, see once again you check it. It should be minus. Okay, here we got remainder is plus 1. Okay. Now say minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now check this. Is the dividend is same? 3x square plus x minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now this is whatever we got the answer, that is correct. Okay. This is the way how we are going to do a division of a polynomial by a non-zero polynomial. So one more we will see here, one more example. So second one, divide the polynomial three x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. So this method we are going to call it as long division method. Now see here, solution. So what they told, divide the polynomial this by x minus 1. Okay, we will do that side. First what I told, write the dividend and divisor in the decreasing order. That is how, by seeing their variables power, we have to arrange it in a decreasing. The given polynomial is 3x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 3 minus 3x minus 1, and the divisor is x minus 1. Okay. Now see, is this is in a variables power is in decreasing order? Yes or no? Yes, it is in decreasing order. Now see here, 4 is there, 3 is there, 2 is missing, right? That's why what we will do, we can write this as plus 0 dot x square minus 3x minus 1. Okay, here x minus 1. Now see what you do, the first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor, that is 3x raised to 4 divided by x. If you do, what we are going to get here, 3x raised to 4 means x 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by x, 1x will get cancelled. How many remain? 3x raised to 3, 3x raised to 3. X into 3x raised to 3 is 3x raised to what? 4 minus 1 into 3x raised to 3 is 3x raised to 3. Now subtract this, here plus is there, minus, here minus is there, plus 3x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 we are going to get cancel. Afterwards minus 4x raised to 3 plus 3x raised to 3 is what? Minus x raised to 3. Okay. Afterwards plus 0 dot x square minus 3x minus 1. Now see, the first term of the dividend, again the first term of the divisor, that is minus 1 multiplied by x raised to 3 divided by x. If you do, what will get? Minus x raised to 3 means x 3 times divided by x. 1x will get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus x square. Okay, you write minus x square here. Again multiply this with this. Minus plus is minus. X square into x is x cube. Minus minus is plus. X square into 1 is x square. Now subtract these two. For subtraction we will change sign here. Minus is there means plus, the plus is there means minus. Minus 1x cube plus 1x cube will going to get cancelled. What is plus 0 minus 1? It is minus 1x square minus 3x minus 1. Again what you do? The first term of the new dividend divided by the first term of the divisor, you divide it. See here, minus 1x square divided by x. What you will get? Say minus x square means x is multiplied 2 times divided by x. 1x will going to get cancelled, minus x is remaining. Okay, here minus x is nothing but the question. Now see, minus plus is minus, x into x is x square, minus minus is plus, 1 into x is 1x. Now change this, subtract these two. For subtraction we will change the sign. Here minus is there means plus, here plus is there means minus. Minus 1x square plus 1x square is going to get cancelled. What is minus 3x minus 1x? It is minus 4x minus 1. Okay. Afterwards, Again new dividend first term, that is minus 4x divided by x. X will going to get cancelled, minus 4 remain. Okay, here we will write minus 4. Again this number, this term you multiply this, plus minus is minus, 4 into x is 4x, minus minus is plus, 1 4s are 4. Now again subtract, a minus is a plus is a minus. Minus 4x plus 4x will going to get cancelled. What is minus 1 minus 4? It is minus 5. Okay, now see. Now we have to stop this because the degree of divisor is greater than the degree of the remainder. Okay. Now what we will do? Whatever we have done, is it correct? We will check that. So that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is divisor? Divisor is x minus 1. What is quotient? Quotient is 3x raised to 3 minus x square minus x minus 4. What is remainder? Minus 5. Now we will check this. Okay. Now you know how to multiply this x minus 1 with 3x cube minus x square minus x minus 4. Now we see x multiplied by 3x cube minus x square minus x minus 4 minus 1 of 3x cube minus x square minus x minus 4. Okay, plus minus is minus 5. Now see 3x raised to 4 minus x into x square is x cube minus x into x is x square minus 4 into x is 4x minus 1 3s are 3x cube minus minus plus 1 into x square is x square minus minus is plus x minus minus is plus 4. Afterwards plus 4 plus 4 minus 5. Now see 3x raised to 4. Okay, take the like terms, minus x cube minus 3x cube. What is that? Minus x cube minus 3x cube is nothing but minus 4x cube. Minus x square plus x square we are going to get cancelled. What is minus 4x plus x? It is minus 3x. Plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Say check the dividend is same. Yes. Say this is the way how we are going to do a division of a polynomial by a non-zero polynomial. Okay. This we are going to call it as a long division method. In next class we are going to continue the problems. Thank you.